Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend you're facing lots of problem to unlock your smartphone and your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, I would also like to tell you something that first of all, whenever your phone is not charged at least 30%, you should charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this method, then you can also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. Okay, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then you should like this video, because these type of give us encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only. Then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now, as you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Okay, now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my phone's all network. So for this, simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. You will get a lots of keys here, but you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode to close all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. After activating this airplane mode, you can see here my phone's all the network has been switched off. Okay, now after this you will your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. It's also known as master unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone. The main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked, because it's not possible. Okay, but there are some secret code which generated by the all service center brand, okay, to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, and these type of secret codes update within 2 or 3 days. So this recent secret code is only valid for 2 days. Okay, so I'm going to give you this secret code and you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad? Now you can see here you will have to simply slide your phone upside. Now you will get an option of a pattern lock, but you have forgot your pattern lock, so don't try it. So you can see here there is an option of a emergency SOS option at the bottom of the phone. You can see here simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option you will reach to a dialing pad like this. You can see here now you will have to feed this secret code to close the running application, and today's recent secret code is star 222 then star 80963 then star 8777 then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application. Okay, now after feeding this secret code, you will have to call on the secret code at the first time, and when you will call on the secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, at the second time you will have to do the same, and the third time you will have to do the same. After doing this process, I mean to say after calling on this secret code 3 times, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Okay, now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method or engineer's mode. Okay, but before going to the unlocking method, you will have to clear this secret code from your dialing pad like this. After clearing this secret code, I'm going to give you a special USSD code which will reach you to the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. Okay, and this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, you will have to reach to the option of a after sales page. You can see here. Now you will also get a lots of options on this page. You can see here from top to bottom there are lots of options on this page. But you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. You can see here. So simply you will have to click on this software version option. And when you will click on this software version, and you will reach to a new page. That's a page name is software version page. Okay, now you can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you will have to go with the option of an Android version option. You can see here at the second number showing here Android version option 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, okay, but you don't have to worry about it. If your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this option 12 times. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this option 13 times continuously. Sorry, just a minute. I will have to do the process again. *#899 then #. Okay, software version. Okay, now Android version 13. I will have to click on this option 13 times. And if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this option 12 times. So I'm going to click here. You can see with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the first step has been done, my friend. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button. And when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page. You can see here. And after this, you can see here, there is an option of a manual test option at the 4th position. Now after this, you will have to go with this manual test option. And when you will go with the manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is engineers mode page. Okay, now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Okay, now you can see here on the others page there are also a 5 type of options showing here. Now you can see here at the 4th number the option is showing here mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but don't worry at all. Both the option have the same function but the different name. Okay, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You will have to click on this option rapidly. Okay, mark my words. Okay, now after this you can see here at the second number there is an option of a read write important lock test option. Okay, now you will have to go with this option. And at the first time when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. Simply you will have to cancel here. Again at the second time you will have to cancel here, and the third time you will have to cancel here. But at the 4th time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK option. And when you will go with the OK option, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Okay, now after this, the very last step what I'm going to give you is most important. If you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. Okay, so watch this video properly and follow the every step properly. Now the very last step what you have to do, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Okay, now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option. Okay, now sorry *#899 then #. Now after this you will have to go with the manual test option. Now after this you will have to go with the device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. Okay, now after this simply you will have to go with the sensor self test and calibration option. And when you will go with this sensor self test and calibration option, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a 3 type of option or 2 option on this page. And if you're getting 2 option on this page, and then don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. You can see with me all the option is showing here operation not started. Okay, now simply you will have to start these operation by simply clicking on these option. Okay, so now I'm going to click on these option. You can also check out with me. Operation has been started, test has been, second option test has been started, and the third option test has been started but test failed. But a single test pass message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now you will have to also click on these options until you get a single test passed message in green color. You can see with me. Now it means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. So simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So now I'm going to click on this option. So my friend, you can see my phone has been completely unlocked and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this type of method really works, and I have unlocked a lots of smartphone by this method. So watch this video properly and follow the every step properly. Your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box what type of problem you are facing. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.